have made a house. You join me in a house. It's got a car over there. It's got all the parts for the car right here. It's got the engine way down there. It's got me. It's got me in it. And the time. I don't even know anymore. See, I sense good vibes. And now I have this little house for this car, mainly. It's been getting wet because it's been raining so much. And there's a tornado that's on the way. Hopefully this house isn't gone in the next 6 months because it's blown away. And I don't think it will. It's pretty well secured. Let me just... So you're here, you're hanging on a wonderful contraption. It's got a roof and a car in it. There we go. So I'm pretty happy. I have a space to actually, do my stuff. You know how it is? You know how it is? What was that? Not sure why I've decided to come down at this time. I just got bored and was like, you know what? Gonna have a look and see how this works. The lighting is terrible. Well, no, that's not good. But yeah, the car's doing all right. If you yeah, doing okay. Need some fixing. Maybe it's wing. The one on the left. The left. That's pretty much it. And of course, like the engine and all the parts that aren't on it yet. And also like its eyes. They took its eyes out, so it can't see anymore. That was pretty much it. Don't know what I just came down with a shotgun. Yeah. Just in case. Big man. Nah. But yeah. Here's the car. Pardon me. So is the car down. It's like Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah. I'm just kind of here. There we go. Perfect. No. So that was a fever dream. If you couldn't make out from the video, the Mini has a proper roof now. It's been raining a bunch recently, so I decided that it needed a roof so that I could start working on it again properly. So yeah, that's cool. Also been doing some 3D printing, making the Winchester HB8 using the lovely printer, which is good all the time, and my brand new, well, my new to me computer, which is very cool. And unrelated, I haven't been having any accidents. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to make a bit of an update. Work is going on. I'm a bit broke at the moment, so I'm kind of doing what I can without spending any money. But it's going on, it's going on. And I will be at some point making a video on the Winchester that I showed earlier, and the progress on the Mini, because I like this car. It's very fun. So yes, I hope you're doing well and all, and I shall see you at some point later.